Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to create simple templates in QGIS. Templates help us work faster by having our layers be loaded when we start a new project. In my case, I usually work in the region of Galicia, but I also work on projects across Spain. That's why I created two templates, one for Galicia and another one for Spain. A template in QGIS is basically a safe project with layers and styles already set up and ready to use. To create a template, first we prepare an empty project with the layers we need every time. For example, municipal boundaries, provinces, and the national orthophoto. I also check the coordinate reference system and organize the layers panel. When everything is ready, we go to project, we save it as a template, and we give it a name. For the Galicia template, we load the municipal boundaries and the Galicia administrative layer, already converted to the correct coordinate system. And then we save it as a template called Template Galicia. Now let's check how the templates work. We go to Project, click on New from Template, and we can see how the pre-configured layers load automatically. And that's it. Creating templates in QGIS is simple and saves a lot of time. Thanks for watching.